Good evening, doctors. A very good evening to all of you. Today, we are going to deal with microbiology, a very important subject from the NEET PG exam point of view. About 20 to 25 questions directly come from microbiology. So, about 80 marks are yours if you are able to solve them correctly, and it is a highly scoring subject. So, without wasting time, let us move forward. Draughtsman colony are seen with. Can anybody tell Draughtsman colony are seen with? Without looking at the options, just looking at the figure. Can you tell it? Please type in the chat box. Draughtsman colony are seen with which organism? Draughtsman colony are seen with which organism? Just see the figure and answer the question. Don't look at the options. So what do you think is the correct answer here? It is pneumococci. Granulomatosis infantis septica is caused by A. Pseudomonas, B. Chlamydia trachomatis, C. Group D streptococci, D. Listeria. What do you think is the correct answer here? Granulomatosis infanti septica. The correct answer here is D. Listeria. Stalactite growth. Now ghee growth. Stalactite growth, ghee growth is due to following organism. Whenever stalactite growth in ghee growth comes, the first thing should come to your mind is Yersinia pestis. Four options are given: A. Yersinia pestis, B. Treponema pallidum, C. Haemophilus influenzae, D. Corynebacterium diphtheria. So the correct answer here is A. Yersinia pestis. Milk ring test is done to detect which organism present in milk. Now, milk ring test, whenever it comes into your mind, look at the figure. That is a milk ring test. It is seen in brucellosis. Now, let us look at the options. A. Bordetella, B. Brucellosis, C. Bartonella, D. Salmonella. The other options have been given to confuse you. So, the correct option here is brucellosis. Super antigen. This question has been repeatedly asked in the exam. Super antigen causes A. Polyclonal activation of T cell, B. Stimulation of B cells, C. Enhancement of phagocytosis, D. Activation of complement. So the correct option is polyclonal activation of T cells. Respiratory syncytial virus causes all. A. Coryza in kids, B. ARDS, C. Bronchitis, D. Common cold. Yes, RSV causes coryza in kids. It also causes bronchitis. It also causes common cold. It does not cause ARDS. So the correct option here is B. Microorganism which causes pyogenic osteomyelitis is A. Streptococcus, B. Staph aureus, C. Corynebacterium, D. Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Staph aureus causes the pyogenic pus-forming osteomyelitis. In nutrient agar, C. Nutrient agar, the concentration of agar is A 1%, B 1.5%, C 3%, D 4%. The correct answer here is 1.5%. So the option B is correct. Which cell causes rosette formation with sheep RBCs? A. T cells, B. Tuberculosis, C. Sarcoidosis, D. Viral ulcer. So the correct option here is A. T cells. T cells cause rosette formation with the sheep RBCs. Which is found in Dye-George syndrome? A. Tetany, B. Eczema, total absence of T cells, D. Absence of B and T cells. It is tetany. Complement formed in liver is A C2 C4, B C3 C6 C9, C C5 C8, and D C1. So correct option here is C3 C6 C9. That is 369. Hereditary angioneuritic edema is due to deficiency of C1 inhibitor, deficiency of NADPH oxidase, deficiency of MPO, deficiency of property. So the correct answer here is C1 inhibitor, deficiency of C1 inhibitor. Yeah. Opsonization. What is opsonization? Takes place through. Now let us look what opsonization is. A, C3A, B, C3B, C, C5A, D, C5B. Opsonization. What is opsonization? Can anybody tell in the chat box? What is opsonization exactly? Opsonization is an immune process which uses opsonins to tag foreign pathogens for elimination by phagocytes. So you in Facebook you tag somebody. Similarly, these opsonins they tag the foreign pathogens for elimination by phagocytosis. Phagocytosis. So opsonization is takes place through. Opsonization takes place through which one? C3A, C3B, C5A, C5B. So what do you think is the correct answer? Please type in the chat box. Correct answer is C3B. C3B. C3B molecule act as opsonins. Always remember C3B molecules act as opsonins. Staph aureus causes A. erythasma, B. chancroid, C. acne vulgaris, D. bullous impetigo. Staph aureus causes bullous impetigo. We know it very well. Erythasma is caused by Cornybacterium minutissimum. Which group of streptococci grow at high temperature, more than 60 degree? It is group D streptococci or enterococci. Fish tank granuloma is seen in A. M. fortuitium, B. M. kansasi, M. merinium, M. leprosy. M. merinium, it is related something to C, so it is causes fish tank granuloma. Correct option is C. Botanist fever is caused by Botanist fever is caused by Botanist fever is caused by A. Rickettsia japonica, Rickettsia cannori, Rickettsia siberica, Rickettsia australis. It is Rickettsia cannori. Which of the following is called praise nocardia bacillus? It is Cornybacterium pseudotuberculosis. But let us look at the options. A. Cornybacterium diphtheria, B. Cornybacterium pseudotuberculosis, C. M. tuberculosis, D. mycoplasma. So correct option here is B. Dark motility which occurs in Vibrio cholerae is also found in A. Shigella, B. Campylobacter jejuni, C. Pneumococcus, D. Bacillus anthracis. We know very well it is Campylobacter jejuni which gives dark motility like cholera. XDR-TB is defined as resistance to fluoroquinolones plus INH plus rifampicin plus amikacin. Hebranosis is caused by fish bacillus. Duodenal aspirate is used in diagnosis of Giardia lambda. Izumi fever is caused by Yersinia pseudotuberculosis. Unsegmented eggs are seen in which parasite? It is Staphylococcus stugida. Brazilian purpuric fever is caused by B. Haemophilus aegypticus.